Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to refund your amount from Spotify. So do you know, a few days back, I think it's been around 5 days since I'm using Spotify Premium, but while scrolling my LinkedIn and checking out LinkedIn Premium features, I got to know about perks that were hidden. But when I explored, so I just got to know more things about LinkedIn Premium. So it's kind of feature, or say a bundle of perks that they used to provide to all premium users. And I got to know that even we can get a Spotify Premium for 3 months from that app. So you can see I just asked for Spotify refund. You can see my conversation here. Okay, so I just asked them to refund my money, and whatever conversation is going on, you can just see it. So while recording this video, I try to, like, I record it with all my voice, but it couldn't capture the voice. I don't know what was the issue. That's why I'm just doing voice overing on this video. So you can just read all the messages on the Spotify support, and make sure whenever your amount is stuck in any app or website or any platform for that matter, don't get into email thing, or don't get into maybe help center or something. Just get into AI assistant, or maybe their chat support or something, because from there you can get instant instant solution to whatever issues you are facing. Suppose if you want your refund, so they'll do it maybe within 4 to 5 minutes. You can see it all right here. So they'll refund it my amount within, I think, 4 to 5 minutes of conversation that was. So they have refunded it already. So they have started the process. Maybe I'll get it by tomorrow morning. So yeah, you can just see this video. And yeah, so it's not that if your amount is stuck so you can't get it. So just apply for some steps that we used to follow on Google Play Store. I tried for this, but again Google Play Store say that it does not fall with their policies. So but again, like, it's been since it's been almost, I think, 3 to 4 years since, for whatever app I have asked for refund, I have got it. There is never a single chance when I asked for my refund and I didn't get it. Even after using it for maybe 8 to 10 days, I even for LinkedIn and for Canva also, I used for 15 days and I asked for refund, I got it, because I directly got into chat support instead of just doing say asking for refund on Google Play Store and then getting into email and all these things. So I didn't do it, but you can just see it all here. So yeah, we can take a look at your refund request. You can just read it all. Okay, and just read it here. So then they ask about the account detail, and then I confirmed. You can see we can refund your last payment, which was INR 199. You can see the date also, 6th 2nd 2025. That is today. What's the date? It's 11 now, so it's been 5 days almost. And 5 days almost. And you can see, just then they asked for the confirmation, and I said yes, that yes, please pay refund the amount. And yeah, just you can see this. Then I said I would like a refund, and then they just started the process. You can see it right here. Then they connect me with assistant. You can see somebody from the team. Just read it right here. An advisor is available. Would you like to chat now? I said yes. You can see, just read it all. I clicked on yes. Then they ask that can they go ahead with the refund process, and I said yes. So they are like, whatever things we are having, whatever concerns we are having, if you are saying I have this, so they will be solving it for sure. And they won't argue, they won't say that it's not possible or anything like this that will go against you. So whatever thing you want, they'll just do it. You can just see it right here. Okay, cancel the premium and reverted the account to free. Okay, so after that I checked my account. So yes, they set it for free, and my premium features got lost. And after this conversation, so within a few minutes they do it, because they have all the rights to do it if you are getting in touch with the right person, or say if you are not at all playing it on Google Play Store for refunding process, you are not at all mailing them to ask for your refund for multiple days, just get into chat support for any platform you want to. Even for Spotify, I'll just share the link in the description box. If you have bought any Spotify premium, and even if you have used it for maybe 4 days, 5 days, or anything, so you can just get it back. Okay, so yeah, you can just read it all. Even so this was a Spotify premium that was for 2 months 119, and even I took for a Spotify mini that was for 7 days 29 rupees. And after 5 days I asked for refund. After just this video, I was just checking whether they will be like refunding my amount for that thing or not, and I did it, and trust me, they refunded my amount for that mini premium also. And I'll share that video too, so that you'll get to know it's too easy to get your refund. Just that you need to take those steps to get your refund. It's not like you will be thinking that no, it would work and then it's done. So you just need to take some steps, and then you can just get your money back. Here you can see it all. So whatever things are there, it's in front of you. So yeah, you just need to just take these steps, and they'll refund your even in the chat itself, your problems will be resolved very nicely.